well, you're 58 today.
I know. And one for luck. Okay, put this, I'm gonna put this one here, and put that one right here next to it.
With your characters on?
No, just for fun.
Look at that.
Whoa, that's a nice one.
Okay, you'll help me, okay? Ready? That one.
That's a 5. That's an 8. 58. That's how old I am.
Ready to start singing?
Happy
Let's
birthday.
let's put the lights out.
There we go.
Okay, now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Granny G. Happy birthday to Lucas.
Slow down. He wanted something. When it came right down to it, his name was kind of Did you
You're
want
tricky.
some cake too? Pretty smart. You can pull it off if you want.
What do you want to do?
I want to help you.
Oh, help me. Help Granny. Granny cuts the cake.
Don't you want to pull off the Nemo?
Okay, you can pull off. Pull
Okay.
off.
All right, you know what? Why don't we take the
Let me
that
take
out.
the candles.
I
off,
want a lot of
okay?
these flowers, so I'm going to go like this, like that, and then I'm going to go. I got to turn like this. There.
There.
Okay, good.
I want
Okay, now you got to help me. Whoops, help me. I'm getting a big piece here. Ooh, look at that. That's for me. Whoops.
That's we call flowers.
Which
How
one?
is it?
It's good. Which one do you want? Which piece?
I want the rainbow.
Okay, pull them out. There you go.
Hey,
I think Nemo's a bath toy, maybe, right? Or what do we
What
think?
is it?
Yeah,
Could
it's
be.
plastic.
You pull frosting off.
You want some frost? How about this piece here?
I do. You put the frosting off.
Off of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it off.
I don't want it.
Okay, should I get this little piece for you? You get some flowers?
Give it some flowers.
How's that? Is that good?
I want to eat here.
You want to take that off too?
I want to eat his face.
Okay, go ahead. You want to eat his face?
He's not food.
I see it. Told he's not food.
Here, you want? Here, Nemo's washed. You want me to wash Squirt?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is your piece. Okay, Suresh, how big?
Yeah, granny size.
Oh, this must. Okay, sounds good.
Thanks. The
Yeah, I
bad
didn't realize it was
toys.
that big.
That's a big
Or,
piece.
you know, I
You
don't
cut that in
think they
half.
don't squirt water, but you can. You don't have to put them in the bath. You can just bring them around with you.
Want me to cut that in half? You and Sally? Ah, you don't.
Don't include me
Not
in
for
that.
Pete's sake.
I want to do
You don't want any?
I meant in a tiny piece.
Scoopy.
Don't be pawning
I
off
want
some tiny
to do this
piece.
one.
Okay, what should we give her to mommy? Should we give her Lokesh? Focus. What should we give to mommy?
I want to help you.
Okay, you can help me, but what about my piece?
What should we give her? Some flowers?
I want to eat him.
Okay, we're talking about mommy now. What should we give her? Some flowers?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's for flower.
Yeah,
And
Okay.
that's fine.
I bake, but I get flowers.
There. Good pieces,
I
huh?
want to help with this ice.
With the ice cream? Okay, where's Granny's piece? This is Granny's piece. Let's see
And
what.
you bring this over to me.
Okay,
Yeah, that's my piece because I got the corner.
okay.
I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Here, I'll bring it down to you. How about that? Ready? Okay, now bring it over to Granny's and hang on. Hold this. Squeeze it. Ready?
Oh, it's hard. Squeeze it hard. Oh, good job.
Ooh, good job.
That's another cake.
Yeah, that's okay. I want one of each.
No,
Yeah, we don't need that anymore.
I want to swap all the ice cream.
You want to what?
Swap all the ice cream.
Are you going to put the ice cream? Okay.
I want to put it
Are you going to frost the ice cream?
frosted.
Okay.
Frost.
Let me take this.
Okay.
Let me take this out of